gosh, I forgot to put those down. Okay, hey guys, it's Jerome back with my second video. Today I'm showing you my top 5 favorite squishies. I'm wearing Batman shirt because it's here, and I found my tripod. So actually, now I'm gonna stand up in my videos. If you wanna know I'm all crazy, it's because I'm all crazy and I had candy today. So yeah, let's just get started to my top favorite squishies. So I'll go to my favorite to my not my least favorite, but like 1, 2, 3, yeah. So my first is actually Brushy. That one. So yeah, here's my first favorite squishy. Okay, I'm sorry. So rising. It's not my most low rising squishy though. My most rising squishy is in this baggie. I don't squish my jumbo squishies like this most of the time. I mostly squish them like put my whole hand around and then go like this. I just like how it looks. Okay, so here's that one. And then here's my second favorite squishy, which actually used to be a panda one. But I squished it so much that it just doesn't have a face anymore. So yeah, I'll show you. This one's way more slow rising. Shout out to Dreaming 12. I'll put her name here. There. It's my friend. My third favorite is this little donut. Actually, Emily gave me. She gave me this for 5 mini squishies like this. Not these 2 exact squishies, but like mini squishies just like this. Like squishies, they're mini, just like these kind of mini squishies. I gave her 5 of those for this donut. Actually, the paint kind of makes, when I squish it, the whole thing squishes. It's okay, it's really slow rising. Okay, just let it rise. This is actually my most slow rising squishy in my whole thing. Okay. Okay, so let's squish. So it's done slow rising. So then there's this one. It's this yellow heart macaroon. And then not my least favorite, but my last favorite squishy is this one. It's this little panda bread. Actually, I got it for $5 at this little store at the mall in Crown. I don't have a mall here that has squishies in it. $5. So doing over one more. So absolute favorite, second favorite, third favorite. It's gonna take up the whole time. And then fourth favorite, macaroon. And then last favorite. So bye guys, have a good day.